Hello, all. How are you all doing? Everyone has some kind of a ambition in their lives. Someone wants to become a doctor, an engineer, a player, a sports person. Someone wants to be maybe join an army. So, everyone has different ambitions in their lives. So, what are the principles which build our ambitions? There are six principles which we basically drive our ambitions. First one, self direction. Self direction says who I am who am I and where I have to go. It basically comes from the knowledge which we have acquired and the experiences over a period of time, and it shows us the direction where we have to reach. And if the direction is correct, we are definitely on the right path to achieve our goal or ambition. Second, self reliance. Self reliance basically says that I am responsible for everything what I do, whatever the changes which I bring in myself, which makes me go towards that goal, is self reliance. So we have to be completely responsible for our actions and take full responsibility for our actions. Third is self enterprise. Self enterprise basically is on the way or towards when we are working towards our ambition, whatever opportunities which we get, we should be well prepared to take it. Opportunity can knock any time, and it is important that we should be prepared all the time to ensure that opportunity doesn't just go away like that from our hands. So we should be a self enterprise person. Fourth is you should have people with you. No company, no organization works alone on it cannot be a single man army. We need to have people around us. We need to have team around us along with us to ensure that we reach to our goals or we reach our ambition. You cannot have a ego which comes in between where you think that I am the only person who can drive or do anything alone. It cannot happen. We need to be along with the people for the people. Fifth is self appreciation. When we are working towards a goal, whatever goal which we achieve, we should be able to appreciate ourselves that we have worked towards it. It could be a small effort which we have done, but self appreciation is very important. Unless we appreciate ourselves and create a motivation among ourselves, we will not be able to boost or give a boost to ourselves and go to the next level. So these are the principles on which we can build our ambition and move towards it with a greater force. If you like this video, please share a like and then give feedback. Thank you.